happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Fe. My 3 words for you. Enjoy every moment. Enjoy every minute of your life. Live. Kung kahit anong ginagawa natin, enjoy natin yon at gawin natin ng buong puso at buong sigla. Yan, para tayo ay hindi ma-stress at lagi tayong maganda. Yon, happy birthday! I love you, sister!
Happy birthday, Sis Fe! Happy birthday, sis! Enjoy your wonderful day. My 3 words for you. You are beautiful. You are a person with positive attitude and you have a big heart. God bless you, sis!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Fe. 3 words for you. Oh, basahin mo na lang. Love you. Oh.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Fe. We love you.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Ate Fe, we love you, mwah, mwah, mwah.
Insan Fe, advance happy birthday. Sana maging masayang birthday mo, of course. Maging always pray, tsaka lagi mag-iingat. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, isa kang mabuting kaklase, kaibigan, masayahin, maganda, nasa iyo ng lahat halos. So, insan, happy birthday ulit. At saka huwag makakalimutang magdasal sa ating mahal na Diyos, sa ating may kapal. At nandyan lang naman siya sa lahat-lahat. Okay? And thank you and have a birthday ulit. Bye.
Hi, Pe. Happy birthday. Nadagdagan ka na naman ng 1 taon ng saya. For this year, I have 3 praises for you. 1, you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are blessed. Enjoy your special day. We're happy you're in the shelter. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Fe. Wish you happiness, good health, and a happy life. Happy, happy life. Wish ko na sana makasama ka pa namin ni Best 1990 sa lahat ng reunion at gift-giving po namin. Mama!